Hello ថ្ងៃនេះខ្ញុំមាន action figure មួយតែនេះ this one collection Molly Hello Moon នេះ packaging របស់វា outside like this ចឹងអានេះតាមពិតវាជា action figure មានន័យថាយើងអាចកាច់ដៃកាច់ជើងវាបានចឹងណាចឹង let's see here again Molly when open it has the card here the card this one's name card of her the next just like that here you just put like that see here here her and then they have the finger maybe at Doban can change the style of finger and yeah they have one more this one maybe the moon okay Nibachan it's her let's see the details Sada ooh yeah can take out ooh oh this one also can take out here her body like this here's her body without a uniform like this this is why they call action figure you can change you can move you can turn the leg the hand the head okay like this so yeah I put her on close like this and here the moon like this also here like this like this like this hai nít đáyអាចកាច់បានជើងកាច់បានអាចដាក់អង្គុយក៏បានណា here she can sit down okay so yeah ស្អាត uniform សាច់កណាត់ខោអាវស្អាតអូខេទទួលយកបាននេះកាតរបស់គេ final and have the moon អូខេមានប៉ុណ្ណឹងថ្ងៃហ្នឹង bye